Hi, this is Deb from Oakhill Silver Supply on Etsy.com, and today we're going to attach a closed spring ring to beading wire. Now the reason I call it closed is this little ring on the end is soldered shut. This is our item number SP13, and the reason it's soldered shut is because it makes a much more secure connection. Now you'll want to get a crimp tube. I like using a 2x2. That's 2 millimeters round by 2 millimeters tall. You're going to string your beading wire through the tube, then through the soldered ring, and you're going to make a loop and bring it back down through the tube, leaving the spring ring dangling at the end. Now tighten that loop up by pulling the tail. You want to have enough wiggle room at the end for the spring ring to move freely, but you don't want it to be an overly large loop. Once you have that lined up, crimp the tube using crimping pliers. And round the end up. For a finished look. Now if you wanted to attach these types of spring rings onto chain, simply use an open jump ring. Thank you.